To change number style of your lock screen clock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can also go to this screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Next, tap the clock to customize it. And then in the clock number style section, select the desired clock number style from the available options. You can see how the clock will look like when selecting an option. If you are satisfied with the result, tap down button to save the change. The selected style will be applied to the clock number on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.